In front of me is Nokia 2660 Flip, and today I would like to show you how you can add photo to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. When you finished, access Type a Message section. Click on this button at the top left corner and pick Add Attachments. Then you need to tap on Add Picture, pick a perfect one and hit Select. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!